Hello everyone and welcome to VLADA'S place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Serbian traditional dessert called Oblande. This is definitely one of the favorite Serbian desserts. First step is to finely grind walnuts, and we're going to need approximately about 7 to 8 cups of walnuts. If you don't have a grinder like this, you can use food processor. Next step is combining 2 cans of condensed milk with 3 sticks of butter. Make sure the butter is room temperature. Blend it all really well to create a creamy texture. About a tablespoon of real vanilla, and then we're gonna blend it once again. After grinding walnuts, we're gonna grind a stick of these graham crackers. They come in packages of 3 or 4 in a box. You just need one of these packages. And the reason we're using graham crackers is because walnut is very fatty and it will not absorb a lot of moisture from the milk. So the graham crackers help with that. Okay, let's add walnuts. And as I mentioned, you're gonna need about 7 to 8 cups of walnuts. We're not precise because we're going for the particular texture, and I will shortly show you what kind of texture that is. Mix it well. Now let's add graham crackers and mix it once again. Now let's talk a little bit about these thin wafers. They can be purchased online, or you can purchase them in the Eastern European markets if you have one in your neighborhood. I ordered these online, and normally I use a different brand which is rectangular and has a little bit different grooves on it. So in any case, this will work just as well. So you can buy round or rectangular, whatever works best for you, whatever you can find. And then we are just basically gonna layer these wafers with this walnut mixture. When I was growing up, my mom made these slightly different. She did not have a condensed milk, so she will boil milk and sugar until she would reach particular consistency. Also, she did not use butter or the graham crackers. I have altered this recipe a little bit, and it works wonderfully. Oblande was a kind of dessert that was served around holidays, particularly during the fall and winter months. The main ingredients, like walnuts and milk, was something that people could produce on their own and had abundance of. When prepared on a traditional way, this dessert didn't have to be stored in a fridge, which was another advantage. This dessert is delicious, and it's also nutrient rich thanks to walnuts and milk. All right, and now I'm just gonna apply a little weight to let the cake settle. I would suggest leaving it overnight like this, and then the next day put it in a fridge. After letting it rest overnight, I set it in the fridge for about 4 hours, and now we are ready to serve it. This cake is so simple, but its beauty lies in the quality of the ingredients and in its appearance. These little layers look quite elegant. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Vlada Vladic, and I'm very passionate about preserving old recipes and preserving and promoting old way of living. Both my living and cooking is always aiming to stay close to nature. If you like this video, please subscribe, and we'll see you soon again.